Hello, it's Lex MPI back with another video, and today I'm going to talk you through how to supercharge your bETH staking. So, you can stake, which basically means you can lock up your Ethereum, you get bETH in return from Binance, and then you can essentially stake that, and you're going to make around a 10% return. I'm going to show you how to quadruple those returns. I'm talking 4x those returns. I'm talking big ETH, yeah, big ETH, yeah. So let me show you how I do that. What I'll do in the top right hand corner, I believe, I'll have a little card that's going to link you back to my original bETH video that explains how it all works and how to stake it for anyone that's new to the whole Ethereum staking on Binance. But today, for the vets in the game who've been following the videos, or even been reading around about Ethereum and ETH 2.0 and ETH 2.0 staking on Binance, let me show you. So here I have my Ethereum in my Binance wallet. Now, if I were just doing it the normal way, I would go to wallet. I would then go to earn. And then when I go to earn, once it's loading, please like and subscribe. I'd love it for more people to be watching my videos. So if you could subscribe, that helps the channel out. Much appreciated. Yeah, so here we go. We go to earn, and then we go to locked staking. And then when you're in locked staking, you see ETH 2.0 staking. And here we are. So this is the ETH 2.0 staking. As you can see here, this is the current APY curve. The more people that stake ETH, the less you get. Currently, the staking rewards are 8.9%. So what I would do is I could go to stake now, and then I could put in my ETH, and then I'd get in return 1 bETH. But I'm not going to do that, because if I did that, I'd get 1 bETH, I'd leave on the exchange, and then I'd get, well, 8.9%. I'm going to show you how to get the extra gains. Let me show you guys. Let me show you. So we go back to the wallet where I was. And what we're going to do is we are going to get my Ethereum. I'm going to withdraw this, and I'm going to put it in my MetaMask wallet. Right, that's the first step. And the reason I'm going to put it on my MetaMask wallet is, rather than converting the bETH 1-to-1 on Binance, like as you just saw, I'm going to convert it on Bakery Swap. And when I convert it on Bakery Swap, I'll make around 2 or 3% on that due to the exchange rate. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's withdraw. And what I want to do is I want to put the address of my MetaMask wallet on the Binance Smart Chain. In the cards above, I will show you how to set up your MetaMask wallet to work with the Binance Smart Chain. So that will be in the cards above right now. So in the top right hand corner, by the way. So you press Binance Smart Chain, and then I need to get the address of my MetaMask wallet, which is here. There we go. So Binance Smart Chain, my account, I've copied it, and then I paste that there. Excellent. I pasted that there. Binance Smart Chain, as you can see, the fees are very low, very cheap to transfer using the Binance Smart Chain, and there, as opposed to the ERC20, which is, look at that, almost like 50x more. Anyway, so I'm going to transfer out, let's do the max and then take out the 1. So yeah, oops, there, 1 second, sorry, 0.0, there we go. So I'm transferring out 0.54 essentially Ethereum into my Binance Smart Chain wallet. So let me just submit that. That is all good. Excellent. So I'll pause the video here. I'll fill in all this, and then I'll essentially I'll show you once it's arrived in my Binance wallet. So take a break, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So here we are in my MetaMask wallet, and that Ethereum I sent has arrived. I just need to put in my verification code. So it's arrived. It's pretty quick on the Binance Smart Chain, much faster than the Ethereum network, as you probably already know. So my 0.54 ETH has arrived. There we go. So what I'm going to do, head over to Bakery Swap. Yep. So I already had it pre-populated there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Ethereum and I'm going to convert it into bETH. And what you'll notice is that there we go. The exchange rate is 1.0174 bETH per ETH. So essentially, I'm making an extra 1.7% on any ETH I transfer over. If you're doing large amounts of ETH, that is definitely worth doing. So I'm going to swap that Ethereum over to bETH at that exchange rate, which is currently not 1-to-1, a little bit higher. So I'll swap. For those of you who watched my previous video, which I put up in the cards, it was 7% higher. So for every Ethereum, you were getting 1.07 bETH back in the day, back in the good old days, which was about 2 weeks ago. So if any of you were able to do that, then I'm happy for you. So all of a sudden, I now have 0.055587 bETH, as you can see here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to BeefyFinance. There we go, BeefyFinance. So what I'll do here is you connect your wallet up to BeefyFinance. That's all done. And what I'm looking for is I am looking for under assets. I'm looking for bETH. There we go. And there's only one vault. So the vaults are the places where you lock up your LP tokens or cryptocurrencies. And BeefyFinance, what they do, they have a very clever and fancy algorithm behind the scenes that maximizes your returns. So where you'd get maybe like a 10% APY. Well, what was it? 8.9% we're getting on Binance. We're getting 41.67% on BeefyFinance. That's because they have this smart way of essentially pulling out your rewards and then restaking them, which compounds your growth rate. So you're getting 4x the return rate APY on BeefyFinance. So as you can see here, what I can do is I have 0.055 blah bETH balance, and what I want to do is I want to deposit that and add that to this balance here and start getting a 41.67% return. As you can see, that's daily, 0.1% a day, which isn't bad. So 1% every 10 days. That will vary over time. So it was down at 35 the other day, up to 41 today. But long story short, it's always higher than you would get on Binance. So go to deposit, I go to 100%, and one second. Sometimes you need to have a little bit less. I'll put 99%. So I'm going to deposit all. MetaMask will come up. I'm going to need to confirm that and pay some gas fees in BNB, which are tiny. So let me just confirm. Excellent. So that should have gone through. Sometimes it takes a couple of seconds for it to actually appear. So what I'm waiting for is that to go down to 0, and there we go, deposit success. It should update in a little bit, and that will go down to, well, pretty much 0, and I should see an increase here. So but yeah, and then once that all takes place, so let me just refresh it. Oh, there we go, it's refreshed. Oh, okay. Oh dear, 1 second. There we go. It's refreshed, as you can see. Balance is 0. Now I have that deposited, and now I'm making 41.67% APY as opposed to the 8.9% we saw on Binance. Now, what are the downsides to this? Well, essentially, you're trusting BeefyFinance with your cryptocurrency. So I'm trusting BeefyFinance with 4 bETH, which is worth quite a lot of money to me. So that's the risk, right? But in return, I'm getting a 4x return when compared to what Binance would give me. So Binance would give me 8.9, I think it was, we were looking at earlier, and now I'm getting 41.67% here. I've done my research on BeefyFinance. I suggest you do too. But supersized gains here. Supersized gains. And the beauty of this is that, you know, I'm making 41.6%, you know, and based on the current price, I don't know, I was making me what, $10, $15 a day. I have to do the maths on that. Well, let's do that now actually. Let's have a look. Ethereum's at $1,700 times by, I got 4.04 currently here staking, and I'm making 0.01% a day. So we should multiply that by 0.001. There we go. That's how we do that as a percentage. Okay, fine. So $7 a day I'm making at the current price. But what I'm actually getting is bETH in return. So 1 second, let us do that. Times that by the 0.001. There we go. So I'm getting 0.004 bETH in return. Now, as at the current price, that's $7 a day. But in 10 years' time, when Ethereum might be worth $20, $30, $40,000, you know, that would therefore mean that, you know, retrospectively, I was making, say it goes up 20x from the current price. So we take my $7, multiply it by 20. That would mean retrospectively, I'm making $140 a day. That's a well-paying job. So what we're doing here, we're trying to maximize the returns we're getting on our bETH with these great compounding interest that you're able to get on BeefyFinance, in the hope that not only am I making gains today, but the price of bETH, aka ETH, increases in the future, then that growth will even grow even further as the price increases. Guys, I'll end the video here. It's been fun. Please like and subscribe. Make some money. I'll see you in the next vid. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.